Hi guys, this is Susie Brown with SWAT Creative Supply. I just wanted to reach out to you guys and introduce our new baby. Our new baby is called the Hot Shot, and I'm shooting this video so you can see a side-by-side comparison of our glue gun holder that we've been selling. Thousands of you have this already. Thousands and thousands of you have this. And so I wanted you to see that there's a substantial difference in size in the Hot Shot and the glue gun holder. And the reason for that is the Hot Shot is designed to hold a wood burning tool. The wood burning tool is an extremely popular item for multiple different crafts. And the tip of it gets super hot, and so you want to make sure that your tip is away from your products that you're working with. You don't want to ruin your craft table. You don't want to burn yourself. So we've made it to where the cradle sits just right, so only the handle touches the wood. You wouldn't want to lay your tip on the wood because, guys, I have news for you. Wood is flammable. So you want to make sure that this is safely in the cradle where only the plastic or the handle part is touching the wood. And we also put a nice little tray here to put all the little tips that come with your wand. We don't sell these. This is sold separately, so you would have to order you one. I will try to find a link for this one if you want this one. I've never worked with these before, but there are multiple ones that you can find on Amazon. Julie's got a link from hers. And the reason why I said Julie Oxendine with Julie's Wreath Boutique is the one that gave me the idea of how this should work, because she uses a wood burning tool all the time. And she got a glue gun holder and she unwrapped it and she thought, oh hey, this would be great for the wood burning tool, but it was too big, it didn't work, and she needed something that was shorter and, so this would stay safely in place. And so she got in touch with me and gave me the idea of some things that she thought would be great. So we came up with the Hot Shot, and she'll be working with one very soon. And so I wanted to share with you guys, even though, when you look at it by itself, you think, oh, that's just the glue gun holder. No, the glue gun holder is much larger, and the Hot Shot is built just as sturdy as the glue gun holder. It's got the non-slip feet underneath and all that. But I just want to thank Julie, Julie's Wreath Boutique. You can find her on YouTube or Facebook. She's got a link for a wood burning tool as well that she uses. I think you can get it at Amazon. So anyway, check out her link and be watching for her to be using the Hot Shot real soon. All of our affiliates will probably be using them real soon. The ones that work with wood and stuff like that. But I also wanted to show you that if you're a jewelry maker, a lot of jewelry makers or any crafters, some do use soldering guns, and this is like a soldering wand that's similar to the wood burner, because it does get really hot, and so you want to make sure that you handle it properly and set it in the cradle properly. But if you know someone who does jewelry making and soldering, this would actually work for that as well. But the Hot Shot was originally born to hold the wood burning tool. So if you know someone who works with wood and does wood burning or any craft that uses this tool, please share this video. Look in the links or the description above this video, and you'll see the links where you can get this. And I hope you enjoy it. Please leave me some feedback in the reviews and let me know what you think about it. We ship everything now within 5 business days. So grab yours today. It's a great companion for all the different things that you do. And I appreciate you, and Matt appreciates you, and he works very hard on these. And We want to produce a quality product that you will enjoy for years and years. We thank y'all so much, and give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy it. Get you a hot shot.